a PUBG enthusiast and now in a fix over filling that gap created by the ban on the app? Well, worry not, because I've got you covered. I'm going to be presenting you similar Battle Royale mobile gaming alternatives that will help you get your daily fix of gaming, and at the moment are also some of the most downloaded ones. Number 1, Call of Duty. Well, most professional gamers at the moment are thinking of this as the next best alternative to switch to. In fact, some have already switched to. It's basically a shooter game that offers a sniper versus sniper battle. It also has a team deathmatch, battle royale, battleground. So you name it, this game has it all. And here the players are required to jump on a battlefield with guns, and they can also transform into characters. The strong point of this game are its graphics. That's hotting up the popularity charts is this one, the Garena Free Fire, but it never got as much popularity and limelight as PUBG when PUBG was around. In fact, users of this game always found themselves debating with other PUBG fans, comparing these two games. In fact, some even call this as the mini PUBG. So what this game essentially wants you to do is, it's a survival game. You're thrown on an island amidst all players. You have a bunch of equipment and weapons to kill each other, and the ultimate goal is to survive along with some players. You can play either as an individual player or form squads or even drive vehicles. You get to use grenades as well. Interestingly, you also get apparel and accessories to sort of ace up your character. The best part is its simple gameplay. Survival Evolved. Now, this is another one game that's getting quickly lapped up by all professional gamers. In fact, it's creating big buzz amidst gaming circles. So what happens is, you left off on the shores of a mysterious island, which is called, no surprise, as Ark, and you must hunt, harvest resources, grow crops, and build shelter. All this amidst natural threats and even threats from players. You get improvised firearms and weapons as well. It's a rather simplified battle royale game, and the good part about this game is that you don't need to have a high-end mobile phone to play this game. So which one are you downloading? Hope these suggestions help you recover from the sudden disappearance of PUBG. And stick to this space for daily updates on technology, gadgets, and of course, gaming. Thank you very much for watching.